What? What?
Liam?
What?
What are you doing? Oh, okay.
Remember, that's a train track. Wait, why are you putting it there?
So you don't open the door, huh? Okay.
Where are you going?
He's still on the train crossing. Daddy's watching qualifying, Liam.
Things were taking forever and that kind of thing. This one over here. The gate over here is a type 1 and the gate on the side is a perpendicular, which is a type 7. The gate over here is a type 6, and then the second one over there is a type 1. What? Nothing. Both these are type 1s. The side gate over here is a type 6, and the one over here is a type 4. Dang, 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 dang. Dang, 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 dang. Dang, 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 dang. Oh. Dang, 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 dang. Dang, 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 dang. Both of these are type 1s. The one over here is a perpendicular, which is a type 17. and the two gates on the other side of are type 1.5s, and the sidewalks type 7s. All the two of these are type 7s, and then the second row, this one and this one are type 7s, and the two others over there are type 1s.